Ergonomically profiled for women, Alpinestars Stella SMX-2 Air Carbon Glove offers the street rider superior comfort and performance. The glove uses a leather and air mesh construction for enhanced abrasion resistance and breathability. A synthetic leather palm with Clarino reinforcements provides durability and grip. A carbon fiber knuckle and TPR protection on the fingers provide exceptional impact protection and abrasion resistance. EVA foam padding on the thumb for additional impact protection. A reinforced padded landing zone absorbs energy. An Airprene cuff and TPR Velcro closure ensures a snug fit. The Stella SMX-2 Air Carbon Glove is available in sizes extra small through large.